Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging in with root or an account that can manage plugins. Once logged in, open WHM and use the search box to jump to plugins or navigate Home Plugins. This shows installed modules. Make sure you note the exact plugin name and its file system path so you don't disable the wrong item. If you only have Cpanel access, confirm whether your host allows plugin changes. Otherwise, request root access or support before proceeding. Now take action. Stop any services tied to the plugin to avoid conflicts, such as restarting Apache or a background daemon. Next, on the server shell, rename the plugin directory, append, disabled or back, so Cpanel stops loading it without deleting files. Then edit the relevant configuration entries in WHM or in /etc/ where the plugin is registered. Comment out or remove the plugin line. These steps prevent loading while preserving files for rollback. To finish, restart Cpanel/WHM services so changes take effect. Use service Cpanel restart or systemtl restart Cpanel, and then confirm the plugin no longer appears in the WHM interface. Test any previously affected features to ensure stability. If something breaks, revert by restoring the original folder name and re-enabling the config entry. Then inspect /var/log/messages and /usr/local/cpanel/logs/error log for errors. If logs show permission or dependency errors, correct them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.